Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to take a look at using a PowerShell script to do an offline scan with the latest wsusscn2.cab file. The PowerShell script can be downloaded from the technet.microsoft.com website. You can do a search for scan-UpdatesOffline.ps1. That's the offline PowerShell script we're going to need in order to run the offline scan. Let's go to our test machine. The other thing that we need in order to run an offline scan is the latest wsusscn2.cab file. This is the offline scan file that Microsoft releases each month, and it should have all of the latest updates. So we can put both of these in the same folder. In my example here, I have a temp scan updates folder, and I have placed my my PowerShell script and the cab file in the same folder, and then I have updated the path inside of the PowerShell script to point to my cab file. Once we have both files in the same folder, we can go ahead and open up our PowerShell command as administrator, and one of the first things I do right now, I'm in the process of running the scan. What I need to do when I open up this PowerShell script as administrator is to set the execution policy to bypass so that I can then successfully run any PowerShell command. The step 2, we just went over that, copy the PowerShell script and the cab file into the same folder and change the path if needed. And then you're going to run this command here, scan updates offline PowerShell, and concatenate to a scan.txt file so that we can look at the historical results. I'm in the process of running it now, but I have run this a couple of times in the past. So here is my scan.txt file, and we can see that there were 2 previous attempts here. This is the last one, so we can see a difference in the number of KB numbers that were identified because after this scan I went ahead and I installed these updates, and I then ran a post scan, and now we can see that they are no longer being identified as at risk on this system, so they were successfully installed. So this is going to take some time. I just posted a video showing the resource utilization of the offline scan. The last one we hit was a peak of memory of 2 gigabytes, and we ran for like 6 minutes and 35 seconds, so we're probably about a minute and a half away from completion here. And this will give us another list showing us at this time what this machine is vulnerable to according to the offline scan that Microsoft releases each month. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please look for more videos in the future.